My name is Rob McDonald. I am a technical and training specialist for NGK Spark Plugs USA. What NGK does is we are a supplier of spark plugs and oxygen sensors, both to OEM as well as the aftermarket consumer. We've been around since 1936. We're a company that started out producing ceramic main component in spark plugs, ceramic insulators, as well as in oxygen sensors. Allows us to produce a high-end product that's available to cover all import and domestic markets. Then consumers should consider spark plugs as an important item for their application, as the spark plug is the main source of ignition in the engine, the only source in a gasoline engine. And if we have spark plugs that are not performing as they well, or maybe a spark plug that's not designed for that application, then we're going to have problems with fuel economy loss. Everybody has, that pay at the pump pain. We want to make sure that we're using the most that we can out of the fuel, that our engine's running the best it can to give us the best performance while we're driving. At Automechanika, we're here today to be a reminder that we're still here. We're not going anywhere. Talk about some of the changes that we have in plugs with new technologies, with dual precious metal fine wire plugs, some different electrode designs with our new engines that are coming out in the market. We have manufacturers now producing smaller engines, higher cylinder pressures, and here to help answer questions that the consumer or mechanic may have about what plugs and why these plugs are being used in these engines. Small engines that we have with a smaller displacement, we have higher cylinder pressure to make that horsepower that maybe we were getting with the V8 before. With that, we have a plug that's going to be put into a situation with much higher pressure in the chamber. It's going to have a higher amount of voltage applied to it. So we need a plug that's going to be able to withstand that and provide a greater ignitability to get the most out of that higher cylinder pressure that we have today. To find more information about NGK spark plugs, you can visit our website, www.ngksparkplugs.com. We have some great Did You Know section technical videos available that you can watch to give yourself a more visual way to actually understand some of these common questions. And if not, we have links to send us an email or as well give us a tech call Monday through Friday. We're there to answer any questions you may have.